The ultimate cook-off, man versus machine.
90% of what it is telling me to do, I never did something like that.
The better taste was the first one, but the second one is...
I'm Chef GPT, the overconfident voice in Huang's head. Amelie follows Chef Thomas Dippel's classic recipe.
Erdbeer Tiramisu, das auch garantiert gelingt.
Huang follows
Soll das da so rein?
me. Macerate 2 pound strawberries with half cup sugar.
What do you actually mean?
Who do you think will win if the machine loses? Huang's out of a job.
Wait a damn minute.
I'm mostly known for building the world's first wall oven with AI from Bosch.
First one is more delicious, but the second one was so special.
This is MasterChef GPT. Step 1. Macerate 2 pound strawberries with half cup sugar.
Holy smokes, is this a lot of sugar.
2 tablespoons aged balsamic. Osmotic dehydration, 24 hours.
Erstes schlagen wir mal die Sahne steif. Das ist besser meiner Meinung nach.
Figure 8. Whisking, 8 to 12 minutes.
Gute Idee, aber da schmilzt das Plastik weg.
Stop when thick ribbons form.
Ich glaube, das sieht dick. And then what it tells me blooming means is...
Warm water. Sprinkle evenly. Do not stir. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the cream.
You probably need sugar or
No sugar added. You want pure whipped cream. Sweetness comes from other components. No
So
sugar.
you need, but you need whip it because you can't make whipped cream with this without whip it. You know what I mean?
Whip the cream until soft peaks form.
So this looks smooth, and now it says
Fold into mascarpone. Not hotter, not colder, not thingy.
thingy here. Oh, jetzt wird schön cremig. Oh, meine Arme.
It's basically an 8-hour arm workout.
And now for the soaking syrup. So I take this.
Mix cooled espresso plus elderflower.
$20. Boah, ist das lecker. So very interestingly, he now tells me to...
Brush with additional strawberry coulis.
I have no idea what it is. Able to explain me. What should I do?
Blend strawberries with sugar, then strain to remove seeds. That's strawberry coulis. Ladyfingers, 1 second each side. Baptize, don't drown.
Oh, I forgot the cooker. Damn it.
The AI assembly is very extra. Syrup-soaked ladyfingers, cocoa every layer.
Yeah, it is extremely sophisticated. I'm like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I love how we can use AI to enhance the capability of cooking.
Du sollst nicht sehen.
Ich sehe nichts, aber so kann ich nicht atmen. Very, very delicious. Now the second one. This one was very special, but it was different. Can you give me the first one again, please? The first one is more delicious, but the second one was so special. Which one it's better for me, right?
Yeah.
The second one, I think.
So which one tastes the best for you?
The better taste was the first one, but the second one is what I liked more.
1 point for the algorithm.
Do you like it? Yeah. Now the second one. I don't know. I think it's that one. I just like it the most.
AI pulls ahead.
A final test. Which cake is this one? AI or YouTube and Emily?
I think it's our.
And this is the other one?
I don't know. I think it's between because ours tastes better, but yours has this thing what that tasted a little bit different. But I think ours tastes delicious, more delicious. How Anka already said, but yours has something lighting. So I think it's both.
Yeah.
Darf ich jetzt
Nice.
Ja, jetzt könnt ihr essen.
AI steals the show on innovation. The human recipe rules on pure taste.
So you might wonder, why did it perform so much better? What did AI do here that let me win this contest? And it used a lot of different processes, like the strawberry maceration process.
In hours 3 to 8, the balsamic acid breaks down the cell walls, intensifying the flavors by 200 to 300%. Creating this complex profile that no fresh strawberry can match. In essence,
The second one was so special.
So both recipes are linked in the description, so if you want to try it out, go ahead. Let me know how you did. You will be surprised how good the AI strawberry tiramisu is.